round 18, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set off 1 single crochet and decrease for 6 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Work 1 single crochet and 1 decrease as one set. Work 1 single crochet. Mark the first stitch. Then work 1 decrease. One single crochet and 1 decrease are finished. One set is done. The second set. Work 1 single crochet. Then work 1 decrease. The third set. Work 1 single crochet. Then work 1 decrease. The fourth set. Work 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. The fifth set. Work 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. The sixth set. Work 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. Six sets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 18 is done. Stretch the loop and remove the hook. Take out some fiberfill. Tear the fiberfill to make it fluffy. And then stuff the fabric with fiberfill. This should be what it looks like when it's done. In round 19, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 6 decreases. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 6 decreases. Decrease is to combine 2 stitches into 1 stitch. Insert hook through the front loops of the next 2 stitches. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through the 2 front loops and hook. Then yarn over the hook and pull through both loops and hook. 1 decrease is done. Mark the first decrease. Continue to work 5 more decreases. Six decreases are done. Remove the marker and work 1 snip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 19 is done. In round 20, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 6 crochets. Finally, end with 1 snip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 1 single crochet in each stitch. Finish a total of 6 crochets. Mark the first single crochet and continue to work single crochets in the same way. Finish a total of 6 crochets in this round. Six crochets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 snip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 20 is done. In round 21, start with one chain stitch, and then work 3 decreases. Finally, end with one slip stitch. Work one chain stitch first. Then work 3 decreases. Mark the first decrease. Continue to work 2 more decreases. Three decreases are done. Remove the marker and work one slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 21 is done. Stretch the loop and remove the hook. Break yarn, leaving a long yarn tail. Pull the yarn tail out. Make some adjustments. Thread the needle with the yarn tail. Conceal the yarn tail inside the fabric. And finally, cut off excess end. The main body is completed.